Okay, we're going to do a trial fit. So make sure that this fits on before we put the glue on. There we go. Hey everybody, Professor Vinster here. I want to show my big bear without... Okay, let's see here. I wanted to show it on a short, but I wanted to just do something kind of crazy here, and it is kind of crazy actually. Let's see if I can crop him over. What do we got going on here? This is a crazy bear. It says only like 20 pounds. But man, look at that, eh? Yeah, hard to put him in the screen. We got him. Okay, let's see here. A little break in him. Well, he's pretty strong, but anyway, I hope you get the idea of this in this perspective. I just wanted to try it in this perspective. And there you go. So, there's the big bear. Professor Vinster here. I printed this cave bear out for a sign I'm making for a hunting camp, and I decided, or I haven't decided, but I've got an idea that I'm actually going to make this full size and have him coming out of the wall, which I think would be really cool. The detail in it is really good, and I'll be able to put glass eyes in. It'd be really neat to have the other side of them coming out of the back wall. It'd be great in a cabin if you had a big cabin, but probably not a great use of space. But anyway, it would be really cool. So I was thinking I'd show it to you guys, think what your idea would be of this coming out of the wall in a man cave or whatever, full size. I think that'd be really cool. And what do you think? Professor Vinster here. Now, I've done a lot of bears, but not a lot of bear skulls. Um, I enjoy the science and all that of animals, and this one here I printed on the 3D printer, and it actually comes apart, and it's actually really, really realistic, which is really cool. Both parts come separately, well, printed separately, and I actually put the white coating of a chalky colored paint on it, because when you actually prepare a real skull, you put it in a bit of bleach or Javex, and it goes a little bit chalky. So that's the effect I wanted to get. So that's what I got. So it's really cool. So what do you think? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.